Ranking cute animals. Let's see. Red panda. I don't know. I guess number 8. I don't even know what a red panda is. Turtle? Number 6, I guess. Oh, Haley is a puppy. I love puppies. Oh, don't tempt me. I want one. Number 3. Elephant. Ooh. I love elephants. Goodness gracious. Number 5. Wolf. I don't know that one. Can I pick something else? Because I really don't know. I guess number 10. Lion. Uh, Number 4. Fox. Number 7. I can't. These are hard. Well, number 2. And a hamster. Yeah, I think these are the correct ones. I think I like these. I'm gonna, when I get my own house or whatever, I'm definitely getting a dog. I've always wanted a blue staffy. I just don't like their little smiles. But I don't know how big blue staffies are supposed to get. I don't know if they're like pit bulls either. So if y'all have a blue staffy, can y'all tell me if they're like blue staffy pit bulls or if they're just blue staffy? Because I want one. And also I don't know how big they're supposed to get, but I want a blue staffy or a rat terrier. Makes you and then, or a corgi. I would definitely go with a blue staffy though. That's my number 1 choice is a blue staffy. And then my number 2 is a corgi, and then my number 3 is gonna be a mixed rat terrier chihuahua. My 4th one would be a pit bull, but I can't handle big dogs. I love big dogs, I just can't handle them. They're very more powerful than what a small dog is compared to a 20-pound dog. They couldn't. I mean, if they were supposed to get to like between 20 and 25 pounds, perfecto. But over 100, you'll know. Actually, fun fact about dogs are, when I was very little, like a little kid, we had this dog named Sierra. And I think by now Sierra had crossed the Rainbow Bridge. Thinking. He was I want to say he was like a golden receiver. And he was our very first dog, but he was a very, very naughty dog. He would jump fences and chase kids on their bikes. Oh, the shame that he has. Or had, I guess, I don't know. So he did it twice. And so ultimately we actually ended up rehoming Sierra. And every time, I've always, and after that, I've always wanted to go, like, revisit him and see him. But that never happened. And then we got our dog, JD. Now, JD was supposed to be about 35 pounds. 35 to 40 pounds, if I remember correctly. 140 damn pounds later. And also a fun fact about JD is one time when he was a baby, he ran up behind me and he bit the back of my ear. I had to go to the hospital to get stitches. Oh, shame, shame. And now we have a little guy named Minnow. And then we have a little one named Minnow. But I call him Simba because he looks like Simba from The Lion King. But then, fun fact about cats, we had 3 cats. One was Calvin. Calvin was the clumsiest cat of all time. And I kid you not, he would run into things, run into doors, run into walls. I should not laugh. At one time, he got caught in the garage door. I should laugh. Like, I'm sorry, this cat's gonna traumatize me. Then my brother and I were getting ready to go to school. Get on the bus to go to school. And this damn cat, decides he's gonna run out. I didn't know what happened. He ran out and he got hit by a school bus. Yeah, that had traumatized me at all as a child. I mean, it's sad that it happened, but Lord have mercy. And then our third cat, no, excuse me, we had 4 cats, not 3. Our third cat, Ray, he was a good boy. He was a good boy. He brought over friends he had a friend named Paris. Now, this is funny, because Paris was actually our neighbor's cat. So we had like 50-50 custody of Paris. We didn't have full custody, but we had like 50% custody of Paris. Isn't that funny? Yeah, we had custody of Paris 50% of the time. And then sadly Paris disappeared and we think he passed away. And then shortly in 2006, our cat Ray passed away. And then we have Miss Lily Lilu. Actually, her middle name was May. And I would always call her Lillian Mabel because I liked the name, but I just didn't call her. I just like to call her Lily May. She was a domestic short-haired cat, and she really lived up to her breed's name. Y'all, she punched me in the eyes. Well, not in the eye. She punched me in the eye. Okay. She was so... I wanted to snuggle with her, and she punched me. So 40% of domestic short-haired breed cats, they're very violent. Very. After that one, I think 40% of them do that. Oh, and she has the shame to do that. Oh.